Slow it down a bit. Nice. Charge. Okay, go with it now. Just don't cut back too much. Nice. Okay, nice way. Don't go too up face. 2/3 up, down. There we go. Charge it a little off the wall. There we go. Another one at the back. Nice. Doing a backhand 360 there.
How do you do the back?
Don't worry about it. Okay, you're waiting too long. Nick is closing out very that way. Okay, cut back slightly. Not too much. There we go. Nice. Bottom turn. Off the face. Nice. Beautiful. Nice riding. Off the lip. Okay. Oh, man. Whoa. Nice, Nick. What's up? Well done. Give me a smile, gents. Nice, gents. Go, go. Just plant the throttle. Nice. Nice. Go, boy. Plant it. Nice. You do a barrel roll there. Okay, go, go. Down. Drop into it. Turn right. There we go. Not too high up. Okay, you're getting too high up to the lip, eh? Come on, Jensen. Nice. Okay. Squeeze the throttle to get speed out of it, eh? No, no, go back, get that way over the back here, buddy. Go right, that way, eh? Right. 2/3 up and then turn, eh? Come on, which way are you going? Okay, change the next lap down. Turn, turn, turn. Just charge down the line. Alright. Filming, Jim?
Yes.
Let me get 2/3 off the top. Otherwise, you're going to plant off as you come.
Daddy? Dad, hasn't Nick been riding for 10 minutes?
What?
Well, haven't I been riding for 10 minutes?
I'll be back in lost. Go get that way, man. Can you see it peeking there? Okay. But go more this way. Okay. Now don't go too high. Alright. Turn. Down the line. You're going the wrong way. Down the line. Go down the line. Right. That was awesome, Nick. Well done. Now do a jump. Do a jump. Stab it flat out. Woo! There you go. You have to wave at the back.
Nick, do you want a video?
Yeah, the power's down.
I'll get it. Daddy? I haven't switched the video
Steer
off.
steady. Don't be on the throttle when Jensen picks it up, eh?
I'm not on the top.
Okay, because you can hurt him, okay? Take your finger straight off the throttle. Let him pick it up. Nice riding, Nick.